Hey there friends, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Gemini to generate commercial level product photos. So I've got a few photos here of my mouse and I'd like to open these in Gemini and create sort of a product photo shoot. Studio level quality is what I have in mind. So these were taken from my phone and very quickly, just in a few seconds. So now that the photos are uploaded, I can go ahead and add our prompt. There we go. If you'd like, you can modify this prompt even further and give it more details to suit your needs. But for now, I'm satisfied with this, so I'll go ahead and click submit or press enter, and it should load up the Nano Banana toolset, which is used to generate photos. So let's give it a minute or two to finish analyzing and generating pictures for us. There we go. So keep in mind, this is only one of many different uses you can use this for, and overall pretty good. I'm very satisfied so far. Some of these only need minor adjustments, like this text here. My mouse doesn't originally have that, but overall it's done a good job of replicating it, and I am very satisfied. So that's how you can use Google's Gemini to generate studio level product photos for whatever your needs might be. I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.